Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. You can get everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Zig Ziglar. Courage is not having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have the strength. Theodore Roosevelt. Never give up hope. All things are working for your good. One day, you'll look back on everything you've been through and thank God for it. Germany Kent. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Thomas A. Edison. Never give up, for that is just the place and time that the tide will turn. Harriet Beecher Stowe. You are likely to fall when you stop paddling your bicycle. Such is life. As long as you don't give up, you will never end up failing. Israel Moore Ayever. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. Robert Schuller. When you come to the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. Franklin D. Roosevelt.